Hello there. Schedules allow administrators to precisely set when web protection policy filters are enabled and disabled on a device. Let's explore how to use schedules in Jamf Safe Internet. Web protection policy schedules are available for supervised mobile devices that are enrolled in Jamf Safe Internet and using version 11.42 or later of the Jamf Trust app. After ensuring enrolled devices meet those requirements, start by navigating to Policies in the sidebar, then Web Protection Policy. Select the Content Rules tab, and then select Policy Schedules on the right. Click Create New. Provide a name for the policy schedule. I'm using Weekday School Hours. If desired, you can add a start and end time for when the policy schedule will be active. I'm leaving this set to the default start time of 30 minutes from now. Select Add Recurrence. Use the menu to select the days where you'd like the schedule to take effect. I'm creating this schedule to be active on student devices during school hours. So I'm selecting the checkbox for each weekday and then setting the start and end time to match the school day. If needed, you can continue to add recurrences to fine-tune your schedule. Otherwise, click Create in the bottom right to save the schedule. Back on the Content Rules tab, we can now apply this schedule to individual categories or subcategories. For example, if I'd like to block the Artificial Intelligence category during school hours, I can set that policy action to Block and then select my policy schedule from the menu in the Schedules column. Repeat for as many categories or subcategories that you'd like to be blocked during that policy schedule. Once complete, click Save and Apply. If you have any custom rules configured in your web protection policy, these schedules can be set for each rule in that tab as well. Note that if the time on the device is manually changed, the policy schedule will respect that new time. It's recommended to force automatic date and time settings on devices through your mobile device management or MDM solution to keep policy schedules active at the correct times. Thanks for watching.